One of the most viral formats right now is AI avatars. But many people still think you need complicated software, expensive tools and professional editing skills for this. Actually, you can create a token AI avatar directly in CapCut in just a few minutes. And in this video I will show you the whole process step by step from a photo to the final result. Hi! If you create YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, Reels, or just want to make content faster, this tool can save you a lot of time. Let's start. Open CapCut, create a new project, go to the AI Tools section and choose AI Avatar. Now we need to choose an image. CapCut already has a huge library of ready AI avatars. You can choose different categories like beauty, in-car, green screen and many others. Or you can upload your own photo. For better results, use a photo with good lighting. Your face should be clearly visible. Try to avoid dark or blurry images. You can also use a fully AI-generated image. This is useful if you don't want to use your real face or if you want a separate character for your content. Now, let's add the voice. There are a few options here. The first option is uploading a real audio file. You can use sounds from the CapCut library or create audio in other services like 11 Labs. You can also type text directly inside CapCut and use the built-in AI voice. Or record your own voice.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Try different options and choose what works best for your content.
Welcome to CapCut. I made an app myself.
Hi, welcome to CapCut. I made an AI version of myself.
Hi, welcome to CapCut. I made an AI version of myself.
You can also choose the model type, light or expressive. Expressive gives more natural facial expressions. After that, start the generation. Usually it takes a few minutes.
Hi, welcome to CapCut. I made an AI version of myself.
Then the video is ready. Check the lip sync, check the face movements, and see how natural the avatar looks. Now, let me show another very useful feature, AI Translate. For example, maybe you recorded your video in English. CapCut can also adapt your content for another audience. This is very useful if you want views from different countries. Upload the audio or video you want to translate. Choose the language. I will choose French. Credits will be used for the translation. Press Translate and enjoy the result.
Salut, bienvenue chez CapCut. J'ai créé une version IA de moi-même. Salut, bienvenue chez CapCut. J'ai créé une version IA de moi-même.
Another interesting feature is Fashion Model. This tool lets AI model wear your clothes virtually. It can be useful for clothing brands, online shop or product presentation. Upload a photo of your clothing item. I will use a dress. Then choose a model. There is a huge library with many categories. I will choose the dress category. You can select several models at the same time to get more variation. Press Generate. And here is the result. Honestly, it looks pretty good. Sometimes the eye changes the color a little or adds extra details. But it can still save a lot of money on filming, studio rent and real models. And now, the feature that shocked me the most. AI dialogue. You need to upload a photo or an image of the character you want to animate. Then, write the dialogue text. Choose a voice or upload ready audio. I will use our audio track.
Salut, Salut.
You also need to fill the Describe Scene section. Then, press Generate. And wait a very long time. In my case, the generation always got stuck at around 89%. It stayed there for hours and then just cancelled itself. The worst part is that the credits were used and never returned. I tried selfies, AI-generated images, different audio files and even plain text, but I still couldn't get a normal result. So right now this feature feels unfinished. I'm curious, did it work for you or do you have the same problem? I will leave a link in the description for 7 days of free CapCut Pro access. With every update, AI tools are getting crazier and crazier. So describe. You're going to test all of these together.